like a motherfucking fool. Going to school and getting drove because I didn't have a top-notch gear, resulting in a whooping a nigga ass like Tyson. I bit a nigga ill. Got suspended, went home to my mama, I was defending myself. Sent to my room and let her by her boyfriend, I was beat with the belt. And she got to stop, fuck that. How long this shit gon' last? At age 12, I ran to grandma's house and I done earned some cash. Now I got Nikes on my feet, hit my dope across the street in a matchbox. When the cell came up, I made sure they made the block, watching my stance at all times. So a nigga don't try to take what's mine, them people coming. Yeah, I see him, but I ain't running from one time. I'm smart, my nigga toured the powder bags for those who like to snort. That boy kept my nose closed, I hoop dreams of going to the pros. See, every day I shot ball, then hung out on that lake, and then go kick it in the south. I ate a Robinson right by my mama house. See, me and my niggas was raw, Lako 2 and Big Mark, ghetto superstars. But see, my niggas ain't get far. My nigga 2, he got 40 years, he doing time in Angola, and Lako in and out of prison. But see, he's a street soldier, and me graduated college with a BA degree, and that's my testament, young nigga. You can be what you wanna be in the ghetto.
In the ghetto, it's like liquor store, gun store, liquor store, gun store. In the ghetto, it's like crack smoke, gun smoke, crack smoke, gun smoke. In the ghetto, it's like I'm broke, he broke, they broke, we broke. In the ghetto, American ghetto.